Best pursuits to fight anxiety and depression. You're clearly not alone if you suffer from anxiety and/or depression. These common, enervating internal health conditions are on the rise, and to feel more, it's essential to be visionary. In addition to traditional treatments, similar to talk remedies, drugs, exercise, and relaxation ways, WebMD recommends getting involved in meaningful conditioning and diving into creative hobbies to rediscover your interests, bents, and strengths. What are the best hobbies for overcoming anxiety and depression? 1. Photography. Not only does photography get you out of your head and home, it allows you to discover new, initiative places, delve into the beauty of nature, and save recollections that can be passed down to unborn generations. 2. Playing music. Setting and achieving music goals can give you a boost of confidence, which will no doubt rub off on other areas of your life. 3. Writing. A jotting or journaling practice is a great way to express your studies and passions. You never know what might come out when you put pen to paper. Numerous great pens have said that their own work surprised them. 4. Drawing, painting, and sculpting. Artistic hobbies can be incredibly healing. Engagement in creative conditioning has been scientifically proven to reduce stress, anxiety, and indeed mood disturbances. Creative expression through art has been linked to a myriad of health benefits, from improved physical and psychological welfare to quality of life. 5. Arts and crafts. Still, this is an excellent time to explore your tricky side, if you've in no way tried sewing or knitting. With so much important information available online, you have a massive virtual library of free coffers at your fingertips. 6. Coloring. The joy of coloring isn't reserved for kiddies. With so numerous adult coloring books on request, you shouldn't have trouble finding a selection that speaks to your inner child. 7. Dancing. While nearly any type of physical exertion can boost your mood and take your mind off your worries, dance serves as moving contemplation, and it's an excellent way to connect with others. 8. Swimming. Numerous avid swimmers relate to the sport as medicine. It's an invigorating, yet relaxing form of physical conditioning that's repetitious, making it reflective. 9. Yoga. As it turns out, finding your inner yogi can also lead to dropped anxiety and depression. According to experimenters at Harvard Medical School, the scientific study of yoga demonstrates that internal and physical health aren't just nearly cooperated, but are basically identical. 10. Hiking. Nevertheless, hiking can be particularly helpful, if you struggle with the ruminating studies that frequently accompany anxiety and depression. Doctors are now writing nature conventions, which encourage cases to disassociate from technology and reap the physical and internal health prices of connecting with the great outside. 11. Gardening. Another great recreation that will help you come one with nature is gardening. Whether you choose to plant an entire vegetable theater or a pot of your favorite flowers, gardening stops negative passions in their tracks and decreases the inflexibility of other internal health symptoms. 12. Cooking. It's extensively believed that certain foods can enhance physical and internal health, but the act of cuisine has also been linked to anxiety and depression relief. Preparing a menu requires concentrating on the task at hand, and chopping, stirring, and sautéing can be downright reflective.